Good morning, my name is Kurt Paterka and we're in Fort Washington, Pennsylvania at the Construction Equipment Guide office, and we journeyed here yesterday from Washington DC at the road rally event that they had there. When we're done here visiting with these fine folks, we're going to be headed to Nashville, Tennessee for the C&D Recycle Show, and then the road takes us west from there. My driving partner and I, we kind of joked around and we said we actually haven't heard anybody vote for potholes. So it's a real positive thing to obviously repair the roads and then get the nation back to work. And since January, we're about 10,700 plus miles. And I'm assuming, kind of trying to calculate, through September, we should have about 80,000 miles on this truck. We've been received really well at all the functions that we've been attending. And, like I said, I've never heard anybody vote for potholes, so it's a positive thing. Yeah, we're just trying to draw attention through the American public to make their Congress members aware that we need road funding.